Hey guys, Jules here from Sprint Booster USA. Today we're going to be installing the Sprint Booster on this wide body 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. With 36 levels of adjustment, Sprint Booster is the most advanced throttle controller on the market. To unlock the full potential of a high-end sports car like this 2020 Hellcat, you need to increase the responsiveness of the throttle to 1:1. That means reducing the lag entirely. As always, the install in this vehicle is very easy. The first step is to take your key fob 20 feet away from the vehicle, opening the driver's side door for at least 20 minutes. This allows the vehicle's CAN bus system to reset. The first step to access the pedal within the footwell is to remove the two clips which are holding on the top of the footwell kick panel retainer. With the panel set aside, you can now easily reach the harness. Locate the pedal assembly and the harness that connects to it. Pull back on the red tab connecting the harness to the pedal and remove the harness from the pedal. Don't forget, before we install the Sprint Booster, you have to install the selector switch into the side of the Sprint Booster. With the selector switch installed, it's time to install the Sprint Booster itself. Simply take the Sprint Booster, place it in line between the throttle body and the harness, press until they click. When connecting the harness into the Sprint Booster, don't forget to press the red tab as you press in. Finally, it's time to route the Sprint Booster selector switch to a spot of your choosing within the vehicle. Don't forget to reinstall the kick panel, which we first removed. Okay guys, that's it for today's install. Leave us a comment below, let us know what you think of the product, and let us know what vehicle you would like to see next.